Hello and welcome. Another update on our discrete choice experiments. A friend of mine asked me whether we can have the formats in a bit different style, that we have not the question in the middle and two options, the choices below, but we have a choice option right below the question. And I thought about how to make it, so it looks not so nice, but anyway, we can try this out. So I go to preview to show how the question would look like. We don't need the mobile friendly option. And this is how this question would look like. And of course we would like to change it a little bit. And we do it in the following way. So you can try, we add a new question. In this event, we go for a matrix table. And in the matrix table, we do the following. First of all, we need this question. So we need to copy it. Go to the source code, then we add it here, content editor, go to the source code, insert a question, so now it looks like this. Now with regards to our statements, first of all we need only one statement. This will be your choice, and we need two scale points. And now we're going to do the following. First of all, we go to the description of the question, go to the rich content editor and go to the source code here. And we need to do something. This will help us a little bit. First of all, we need to add the width of the table. We do the width, double point 200 pixels. Now we copy this line of text and add it here, and now we copy the whole style tag and we add it by the first line. So what we did now is actually the all table rows, they are 200 pixels wide. So the next thing that we do, we copy this questionnaire or this table. Actually we're interested only in the table, that's why I go from table tag till the end of the table tag, hit copy, Control C, then we go to the scale point description, go to the rich content editor, go to the source code and paste it here. But actually we need only the first option, that's why we can delete the second option from all the lines here. So delete it here, delete the second one, delete the third one. I don't know how many have in this experiment, but we'll check this. 5, so delete the other two. 2. So they are deleted. Click on OK. And now again, let's go to the rich content editor. Choose the table. Right mouse button, table properties, and make the border size 1. And hit OK. So now we can delete this, whatever this was. Save. Go to the second option and rich content editor. Source code. Paste it here, but this time we delete the first row. Or not the first row is description of the attributes, the second row. So we delete everywhere the second row. Should be about 5 times, and then we'll see how it will look like. So it will not be nice, honestly. I tried it out, it didn't look nice, but if you want to have it in this form, this would be one of the options. Okay, click on the table, go to rich content editor, and again select the table, right mouse click, and border size 1. Okay. Now let's see how the question look like. And this question we don't need it anymore. Actually, we don't need the table only. The question, we can retain the question, so we can delete all this stuff here. Would it work? Yes, seems to work. And let's go to the preview mode and see what happened. So this was the original question, as you see on the top, and this is how it looks like if you want to have it like this. What you can do, actually, you can work on the height of different items, because you see that some items are have more text than the others, and that's why it looks so weird. If you want to do it, you do it in the following way. Again, you go to your table, go to the rich content editor, we're already there, and you add here not only the width but also the height. So semicolon height, and we say, let's say for example 70 pixels. And now we need to copy the whole line and add it at least once every row that you will have. So style line center, okay, they have already a style, so actually we need to copy only the height here. This is the important one, because they have already style equals to, that's why we don't need to enter it one more time. So we just add it here. Oh, didn't work. Sorry, now we have to make it again because it will not work now. Yeah, just a second, I'm going to hit a pause. So I just made it back. How it was, sorry for the interruption, but I'm going to check it one more time. If we click on it, and here, don't try to change it here. As you have already seen, it's not a good idea. Go to rich content editor, go to the source code, and here, theoretically, I hope it works now, we can add the things that we need. Actually, we need to add here semicolon 8, let's say 70 pixels, and let's see what is going to happen if we add something like this. So we add it also here, and you have to add it in each line, in each row. So we continue. And let's see what happens. Now you see the table looks like this. We have to do the same with this table. So click don't work here, go to the rich content editor, go to the source code. And again, we are going to add here the same we added before. And we'll see what our guess with 70 pixels was a good guess. Yep. Same. Let's preview and see where we succeeded and made it all look more or less fine. So now at least they look similar, and we can think whether it is a good idea to align the text to the bottom or to the top. Depends on what you want. Okay, now became better, and I think there are some tweaks that you can do additionally. First of all, we need the question that I deleted also coincidentally. So we add the question text. Here we add the statement. What is your choice? And I think we can work here with the other additional statements that we have. We can see what's going to happen. Transpose? No, not a good idea. Text bump. This is what we need to have a little bit more space for this one. Then you can actually make the question a bit wider. You can make not 200 pixels, but for example 250 pixels, and hopefully it will look even better. So let's go to the preview mode and see how question will look like. And this is how the question would look like. I didn't find an option to have the table with the attributes and on the left and the choices on the right over the buttons, but I think this is how you would proceed if you would like to have the question that you see above in the form that you have the option right below your choice. At least would be one of the ways to go. I hope it was interesting. Wish you all the best. Good luck with your research, and let me know in the comments section if you have any other questions. Bye bye.